Here we have the TI LaunchPad running a program that was written to simulate the numbers you display on a die when you're rolling a dice. And you can see my LEDs are arranged in an H shape, like the letter H. And I'll go through and tell you what I labeled them as. The leftmost column, starting from top to bottom, we have A, B, and C. Rightmost column, top to bottom, we have D, E, and F. And then the center LED would be G. And so there's only really 4 states to this program, or to the lights, and you can make any combination of number displayed from these states. So as you can see, we always have A and F are on, and I wired those to bit 4. B and E are always on at the same time, so I wired them to bit 5, and then also C and D are always on at the same time, and I wired them to bit 6. And bit 7 is wired to G. Bit 3 is our push button switch, and we're not using that in this program that's running right now, but I'm going to go ahead and load another one on there in a second that will show you that. So just basically this program is counting from 1 to 6 in a loop, and I have a bunch of if-then statements that will say based upon the count that you're at, turn on a certain combination of LEDs. So of course for our count being number 1, we turn on LED G, which was wired to bit 7. If our count is 2, we turn on bit 4. 3, we turn on bits 4 and 7. Count 4, we turn on bits 4 and 6. Count 5, we turn on bits 4, 6, and 7. And then for count 6, we turn on bits 4, 5, and 6. And you could actually do this with 3 bits if you had some logic gates. In this case, I did not choose to implement it with logic gates, and you can do it without, just takes an extra bit. So now, you can see that the program's counting really slowly, so that we can actually see the output. I'm going to load another program on there that counts much quicker, and then you can use the stop button to stop the count. And so this will simulate a dice roll, since it's sort of random when the user pushes the button. I'm going to go ahead and flash the new program right now in my Composer Studio, and you see the lights turn off eventually here. That means it's ready to be reprogrammed. We're compiling right now. There we go, lights are off, ready to run our new program. So I'll just click the run button, and you'll see it'll count a lot quicker now. Alright, now I just want to quickly demonstrate the push button functionality. Here's the push button in the bottom corner here. As I push that, it'll detect a high to low transition, so the switch is normally at high, and once it goes low, we'll stop our count. And I roll the number 5. I push the button again, I can roll my die again, and I'll stop it again. We've got a 4, 4 again, and we like the number 4. Here's a 6, a 2, and there you go, that's how it's done.